Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update that is TekSystems of Campus Drive for freshers. So the service agreement for this job is 2 years, and quickly we shall see what is the job description and the location as well as the salary for this job. So the next thing is the description. So the description is that the first thing is the job role. It's an engineer trainee, and the qualification needed for this job role is BE B.Tech or ME M.Tech, as well as the batch year of pass out should be 2020, and the experience is they are looking for freshers. So zero experience, or you can say 0 to 4 years of experience, and then salary is 6 LPA, and the job location is Hyderabad as well as Bangalore. And once you apply for this, the online test date it will be intimated to you later. So this test is also conducted by the My Anatomy platform. So you can, once you apply, you will get the test link and you can easily take the test before the test ends. So then we shall see what is the eligibility criteria for this job role. So the eligibility criteria is that the candidates should be from BE B.Tech as well as M.Tech and in the stream of CS, that is Computer Science, Information Technology as well as IS, Information Science, and any other similar streams graduated in the academic year 2020. So it is not mandatory that you should be a CSIT. You can be from any branch. It can be irrespective of any branch, EC, EEE, whichever branch, and you should be graduated in the year 2020. And the percentage cutoff is 70% aggregate throughout the academics are eligible. That is, you should have a 70% aggregate in BE B.Tech as well as in 10th as well as 12th. They are eligible for this role. And next thing is what are the skills that is required for this job role is that you should have hands-on coding on any one of the programming technology languages, or you can say software technologies. So you should have the knowledge, that is the hands-on coding on any one of the software technologies. It can be like Java, Python, C Hash or database, that is SQL. So the next thing is that the job also includes working on various cutting edge technologies on Java. So like various frameworks or servlets, Java servlets, so which are the various technologies of the part of Java, as well as .NET, Python, big data, as well as cloud. And then after that Android, AngularJS, Oracle Cloud. These are some of the technologies that you should be aware of. So if you're aware of any one of programming language Java or Python, that is enough for this to apply for this job. So then we shall quickly see what is the selection process. So the selection process is same, like there will be 3 stages. You can say here there are 4 stages. The first stage is the online assessment. So first you will be writing the written test. So it will be online, and same it is conducted by My Anatomy platform, My Epit. So you need to write the test there. And then the second, once you clear the first round, there will be group discussion. So then after that the stage 3 there will be technical interview. So once you clear the technical interview, the final round you can say there will be HR round, and this is the final round of the selection process. So once you clear all the round, then your results will be discussed. So this is one of the good opportunity for freshers, and salary is also very good. It is 6 LPA and entire process is conducted virtually itself. So then you can quickly go and apply for this job, and the application link will be provided in the description box. So do check that and apply for the same. So thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.